This problem is talking about converting the degree measure into radians. Before we will start solving this problem, the best way to solve a problem is to understand the term that is associated in the problem. So this question is talking about the degree as well as the radian. So we have to understand what is the meaning of degree as well as what is the meaning of radians. Okay, so when we talk of degree, that means there is a circle. Okay, there is a circle, and that circle is divided into 360 parts. So meaning when we have a whole circle, the whole circle is being divided into 360, meaning the whole part is 360 parts. Okay, with respect to radians, it's still talking about the circle, but then the circle is no longer divided into 360 parts, but it is divided into 2 pi. Okay, if you are attending my lesson, you know why we have 2 pi and why we have 360. But for now, I'm just saying that degree, that means 360 parts. Radians, that is 2 pi. Okay, now, so in solving this problem, we have now the idea of what is the meaning of degree and what is the meaning of radians. When you see degree, meaning the whole circle is divided into 360, radians is 2 pi. Okay, now in solving this problem, we need to use the ratio and proportion. Okay, so we're going to get the ratio of the part over the whole in terms of degree and the part over the whole in terms of radian. All right, so I will write the ratio here in the desmos. So that would be ratio. The ratio would be the part over the whole. I would say that is for the degree measure, and of course for the radian measure, the same thing. It should be part over the whole. All right. Okay, so this left side here is referring to the degree, and this right side here is referring to the radian. All right. Now, we know that when we talk of degree, that means the whole circle is divided into 360 parts, right? So we are going to change now this word whole into 360 parts. So that would be 360. And in this problem, the degree here is 200, right? So what I'm gonna do is to put this 200 degree to the top of 360. So that would be 200, right? And in terms of radian, we know that the circle is divided into 2 pi. All right, so I'm gonna put the 2 pi to the place of the word whole. So that would be 2 pi. Okay. That is with respect to radius. And of course, now we can already find what is the value of the radian. If it is 200, so what is this part here? Okay. So what we're gonna do, change that word part to x. And so the answer would be this one. Okay. So the answer is 10 pi over 9. All right, that's it. So that is just very easy. Just use the part over whole with radian as well as the part over whole with degree. Okay. So what if the question is like this? Okay. What if the question is like this? Convert the following radian measure into degrees. Okay. So what are we gonna do? Well, we will still use the same concept, part over whole for the degree and part over whole for the radian. All right, and we already understand what is this radian. We already understand what is degree. Degree means the whole is being divided into 360 parts, and radian means the whole circle is being divided into 2 pi. That's why here, instead of writing the whole, we write it 360 for the degree, and for the radian, we write 2 pi. And of course, The missing here is no longer the radian. The missing here is the degree. So we're going to put that one, this part here. I'm gonna change that one to x. That is for the part, meaning that is the degree. Okay, degree part that is missing. And here the radian here is 3 pi over 8. So I'll just change that x to 3 pi over 8. So we have 3 pi over 8. So this is now your equation. Okay, this is now your equation. So this x refers to the degree that is missing, and 360 is the whole. The idea of the circle being divided into 360 parts because of the word degrees. And here, 2 pi is coming from the word radian. The circle is being divided into 2 pi parts. Okay? And of course, this 3 pi over 8 is actually the radian measure. Okay? That is the radian measure. And so what's the answer? All right. So just check it in your desmos. When you put that one, the answer is this: 67.5 degrees. That's it. Okay.